Hey guys, well, me and Jane's back here, and yesterday I put out a couple mock scrape for him and sprayed down with some Scrape Master, and now we're on my side where I'm going to be hunting at this weekend, and now I'm going to be put a mock scrape with the Black Widow deer lures and spray down this tree with some Scrape Master, and hopefully we'll have some good luck and get a pretty good buck come through here. So Black Widow, baby. Scrape Master scrape beads. Just gonna pull them all the way there. Then to really enhance this scrape, Scrape Master spray lure. Spray it all over the scrape real good. Spray around it. And for the heck of it. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put a scent stick up. I'm gonna pour some Scrape Master in here, and I'm gonna put this wick down in it, let it soak. Hopefully I don't get it all over my hands. There we go. And of course it comes out a little bit, but it's alright. Now, hang it about right here. Spray that wick down real good. Whew. And there you have it, guys. So hopefully come Saturday morning, me and Jaden will hopefully have some good deer coming through our fields, and hopefully, and Zach too, hopefully he'll have some good luck too. So good luck to all. Thanks. God bless.